In a lush forest, creatures of all kinds gathered. A wise owl hooted, signaling the start of a meeting. Listen to the wind, it said, for it carries stories untold. A deer flicked its tail, warning of danger, while a squirrel chattered, sharing secrets of hidden acorns. A wolf howled, uniting the pack, and birds danced in the sky, painting messages with their wings. Each creature spoke a language beyond words, teaching that understanding transcends sound. In silence, we find connection. The owl concluded. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.